do this. Welcome to our overwater villa at the Holiday Inn Kandooma. I'm going to give you guys a tour. This place is amazing. So to start off with, we have our bedroom area. Our bed is big and it's raised on this platform and it's super luxurious. And one of my favorite parts is that they have a pillow menu. And now we're going to our lounge area. So we have this huge couch space, which is perfect for chilling, relaxing, or having a little afternoon nap, which is probably what I'm gonna do after this. One thing I love is that they give you free water every day in these reusable bottles, so you don't have to use a bunch of plastic water bottles. So very environmentally friendly.
Hi, Jules behind the camera here. You want to do the bathroom?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna rewind a little and go to Jules' favorite room. Just kidding. The bathroom area. Da, 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 da. So, you know, basic bathroom things, sink, toilet, dope shower that has a beautiful rainforest type shower head or a handheld shower, whatever you prefer. And hello! There is a freaking bathtub on the deck. I'm so excited. I'm taking a bath. It's gonna be awesome.
Are you going out that way?
I don't know. This is so luxurious to be able to take a bath and see the gorgeous water right in front of you. And then behind Jules is a second shower, because you always need 2 showers, am I right?
All right.
This is an outdoor shower and you can go into the water, come back and just immediately take a nice shower and clean off. And you could just be naked in the shower if you wanted. No! Oh! You're a dick. I knew you were gonna do that.
Okay.
Thank you. We're gonna go back inside and I'll show you guys the best part. I am wet, thank you, Jules. Okay, are you all ready for this? The reason we came to the Maldives, the reason we came to the Maldives, the reason everybody comes to the Maldives, the water! I'll give it a moment of pause. So we literally have the gorgeous blue water at our front doorstep, back doorstep, I guess. And yeah, so we have this balcony area, which is really nice to sit out in the morning and have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and just look out on this gorgeous landscape.
But Christine, what's this part down here?
Oh, well, let me show you.
Oh, ho, ho.
These are hard to open. It's a good exercise, muscle exercise, muscles. Okay, we're going down. All of this is our private area, by the way. Just thought I'd share that. Look at this. Is this incredible or what? This is our platform, our deck, where we can just hang out, and the whole place is completely over water. That's why they call it an overwater villa. Fun fact. This is really cool. It's basically an overwater hammock bed type thing. It's not a trampoline, but you can't jump, but you can lounge on it. Perfect spot for an afternoon nap or reading. I like to take lots of naps. You can't tell? We have our own private ladder going down to the water, so anytime we want to take a little dip, we can just go down, which is very nice. The water is really nice. Loungy beds if we want to hang out. And yeah, so that is our overwater villa at the Holiday Inn Kandooma. It doesn't get any more beautiful than this. Literally the water at our doorstep. It's perfection.